In today's video, we have this gorgeous Porsche 992 911 Carrera S in the gentian blue at the studio for our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package. We have just done the decon process on this, so I will show you a few clips of that in a second, but it's now ready to be pulled inside the studio and then I can show you the paintwork that we're working with. So we've got the 911 Carrera S into the bay now, and the paintwork on it isn't in the best of conditions. So I'll start off around the back here, just give you a quick example. So it's nothing too major, it's just a lot of swirl marks and marring, which is expected when a car's not been maintained correctly. So that's why you'll see those swirl marks. There's a few deeper scratches on this area here, so we might need to cut a little further. And then if I follow around the car, it's pretty much the same story along the whole thing, which isn't unusual for us. We do see this a lot on cars, like I say, that haven't been maintained correctly. But this colour, once it's detailed properly, looks fantastic. This is the Porsche gentian blue, so it's got a nice flake in it once it's been corrected correctly. You can kind of see it now, however the swirl marks are just taken over. Before we go ahead and start the paint correction, this customer has asked if we can protect the side skirts for him, so we're going to need to take the factory PPF off, which you can see at the rear here, and it's absolutely covered in stone chips. So we need to get this taken off, apply the side skirt PPF, and then we can go ahead and paint correct the rest of the car. And finally, I'll just show you this wing and bonnet. So wing, exactly the same story, covered, and then the bonnet. So one thing I forgot to mention, the owner of this Porsche 911 owns one of the largest independent designer and luxury goods selling platforms. So if you are interested in any designer gear, make sure to go check the owner of this Porsche 911's website out. It's called Dan Young UK, and I will link it in the description below. Right, that's all of the paintwork now cut, and as you can see, it is looking so much better. So the paintwork on this was really tough, so it took a lot of cutting. However, all of it has now been cut, and we're getting very close to the finished product. So let's go ahead and refine it now and reveal those stunning gloss levels. Right then, so that's the paintwork now corrected on this stunning gentian blue Porsche 911 Carrera S. So now we've got the paintwork exactly where we need it to be, so no more imperfections on there at all, and it's looking like a mirror. We need to seal that in with our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coatings. Well, and that's the coatings applied, and this Porsche is looking fantastic. If you do want something similar for your car, don't hesitate to get in touch and we can give you a free quote for your vehicle. As I mentioned, this is for a very good customer of ours who owns Dan Young UK. So if you are looking for any designer branded clothing, make sure to go check out the website. I will link it in the description below. Now the car's complete though, let me show you some of the afters of this, and then that's the video gonna be wrapped up. Right then, that's Dan's 911 Carrera S now complete at the studio after having Expel PPF on the side skirts just to offer some extra added protection from the stone chips that these are susceptible to getting, and then on the rest of the painted surfaces we've protected that with our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package. as you've just seen, the car is looking fantastic and definitely better than when it came into the studio. So if you have enjoyed, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you do need any high-end clothing or designer gear, make sure to go check out Den's website, link in the description below, and we'll catch you in the next video.